What's up, Peak Timers? The 2018 Hot Wheels F case has arrived. Let's go ahead, open it on up, and take a closer look at all the cool cars inside. Here it is, guys, the 2018 Hot Wheels F case. Let's go ahead and unbox this. We'll take this off from the top right here. The super treasure hunt from this case is the Indy Oval car. So that is the one that we are looking for as a super treasure hunt from the F case. Let's go ahead and grab maybe 2 or 3 cars at a time right here. All right, awesome cars that we have first. So first car we see is the Lotus Esprit S1, back with Lotuses and Hot Wheels. Glad to see them back. Then we've got an Indy Oval car, and this one is not the Super Treasure Hunt version. This is just the regular version. Then we've got the Volkswagen T2 pickup. All right, let's go ahead at the top right here. We'll find what else that we have. I see 2 of the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTRs. There we go. We saw that in the previous case. And then we've got the Milano Gardens of the Galaxy Volume 2. Nice spaceship from there. All right, we'll put those ones aside. We'll grab what's up top here. Ooh, it's another Ducati. We've got the Ducati 1199 Panigale. Very nice. I'm a big Ducati fan. That one looks really, really cool. Then we've got the Ollie Rocket. And we have got the 70 Chevelle SS wagon. All right, what's up top here? And oh, very nice. We've got 2 of the Pagani Huayra Roadsters. We saw this one in the E case, but they are back. Then we've got, this is a new fantasy car. It's called Beat All. Check it out. Wow, that's pretty crazy looking. I can't wait to open this one up. All right, we'll put those aside. What else do we got up top here? And we've got another one of the Volkswagen Beetles that we saw in the F case. Then we've got the Velocita in a brand new color, a nice new black color. And we've got the 96 Nissan 180 Type X. Very nice. All right, what's up top right here? Cars are dropping now, but there we've got a new fantasy car. We've got High Beam, 2 of those, and then we've got Street Wiener, and that looks like it might be a new color of Street Wiener. Very nice. And let's get these 3 right here. We've got Crescendo. Looks like a new color of that. And we've got Loopster, another color variation. And we've got Rally Cat. All right. And then we have got the Bachmann Akram Knight Batmobile, our top speed champion. 2 of those. And this is a really cool new fantasy car. It is Teed Off 2. Check out the big engine in that. And this is like a golf cart. Very cool, nice new fantasy car. Put those ones aside. Then we have got the Hot Ryler, new color of Hot Ryler. Looks like a white color variation. Then we've got the 68 Mercury Cougar. All right, and what else do we have in here? And we've got the Hot Wheels dirt bike, the HW450F, and we've got a new color of the Bone Shaker. Check it out, new red colored variation of the Bone Shaker. That's a pretty neat one. I like those. And what else do we got down here? Oh, this is the one I've been most waiting for. There it is, the Porsche 917 LH, the long wheelbase one. This is the Project 2 cars, or Project Cars 2 that they came in. Golf color variation. Very nice, excited for those. And we got another Street Wiener underneath it. We'll put those aside. And the last of the first half of the case, we've got a 63 Chevy 2, and we've got a new color variation for the 2015 Challenger SRT, and it is a Hellcat. They just don't specify on the package. And there is also a Fig Rig. That's a new one as well. I think we've seen maybe an older color variation of this one before. This is a new color of it. I'll put those ones to the side, and let's get to the second half of the case here. Pull this cardboard out. We'll pull the case up so we can see a little bit better in here. What do we got at the top? I know there's some new cars still we haven't seen. There is the Crate Racer and another one of the custom 53 Chevys we saw in the previous case. Crate Racer looks like a new color variation. And what else do we got up top here? We got 2 of the Dodge Charger Daytonas. We saw this one in the previous case as well. Some really neat ones though. All right, we'll put those aside. And we have got the Speed Slayer, chromed out Speed Slayer. And we've got 3 cars here. Oh, there's the new color variation of the 95 Mazda RX-7. It's a new green color. And then we also got the new color of the 2016 Civic Type-R. Check that one out. Nice red color. Bismoto on the side of it, and then there's the High Roller as well, a new color variation. Lots of new colors in this one, and a couple of new cars as well. There's still some new cars I know that are coming. Bubble-matic, that is a new fantasy car. We haven't seen this one before. Check that one out. Wow, that's cool. I wonder if it actually blows bubbles. That'd be interesting to find out. Then we've got a new color variation of Rockster. Check out Rockster. It looks like a Hummer. All right. And there is another one of the custom Mavericks, the custom Ford Maverick. We saw that one in the previous case. We got a 32 Ford. That's a new color of the 32 Ford as well. And that one says Carly Times or Charlie Times, something like that on the side. We got Cyber Speed. And I don't know if I've seen this one before. This might be a new fantasy car as well, Cyber Speed. It's a pretty neat looking one though. I like these new wheels. I wish they would have these wheels on more cars. All right, let's see what else do we got here. We've got the Fiat 500, the black color variation. We've seen this one before. And then we've got the Mad Props as well. There we go. And there, ooh, look at these. These are the 57 Chevy, the Valentine's Day edition. Very nice. And then we've got another one of the Teed Off 2. All right, we'll put those aside. And there it is, the ones that I've been waiting for. The brand new color variation of the Mercedes Amg Gt, the black colored variation. This is one of the ones I've been most excited for. In this case, I really love this casting. And then we've also got this new color of the Aston Martin 177. Check that one out. All right, we'll put those ones aside. And what else do we have? Ooh, looks like a Piranha Terra, and that looks like the packaging kind of got bent when they packed it, I guess, but that's a nice new color, Piranha Terra. Then we've got Solid Muscle as well with the Hot Wheels graphics on the side of it. Put those aside. And there's another one that I've been waiting for as well. This is the Custom 67 Pontiac Firebird, and that's got that open hood on it. We saw the first one of this one was in last year's set, which was like a Zamac color variation. But that one's really cool, very, very nice. And then we've also got these ones right here, the Pro Stock Camaro and the Dodge Charger. And we've seen these ones in the previous case. I put those ones aside. Getting to the bottom here, oh, there's 2 more of the Ford GTs, the 2017 Ford GTs in that new blue color. We saw this one in the previous case, but very, very nice cars. And then we've got the 2012 Ford Fiesta with the pawn on the side of it. It's like a chess version of it. All right, we'll put those there. And to the very bottom, we've got Tankinator, any new color variation. There is Tankinator. And then we've got the 71 Porsche 911s, the Magnus Walker edition ones. We've seen these ones before, but very nice. I really, really like those ones. All right, guys, let's get to the highlights of the 2018 F case. I try to narrow down all of my case unboxings to 6 cars, and these are the 6 cars that I have picked as highlights from the 2018 Hot Wheels F case. It does seem like this is more of a recolor case, as there is a lot of really nice recolors, but the most highlighted car I would say from this case is the Porsche 917 LH, the nice long wheelbase Golf Series. There we go. Look at that. Very, very nice. This is my favorite car from this case, but all the rest of them are just recolors. So we have the recolor of the Mercedes AMG GT in black. We've got the recolor of the 95 Mazda RX-7 in green. Got the recolor of the custom 67 Pontiac Firebird with this red and flame paint job. This one's really nice though. And we have the new red color of the Honda Civic Type-R, the 2016 version. And last but not least, we've got the recolor of the 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT quote-unquote Hellcat. This was my favorite car from the 2018 Hot Wheels FKs. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car from the 2018 Hot Wheels FKs. I thank you guys for watching. Throw this video a like if you liked it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
What's up, Peak Timers? This is your boy Phil from Peak Time Racing. I just want to thank you all for watching this video. Now, I just want to make sure you guys are fully aware of the Peak Time Racing brand, which consists of all three of these channels right here. We've got Peak Time Racing, which is the channel you're on right now. We've got Peak Time Vlogs, which is my vlogging channel where you can find more stuff about my daily life, my family, and a lot more behind the scenes things, as well as Peak Time TV, which is my gaming channel mixed in with a little bit of a storyline channel with Hot Wheels, some really cool stories and Hot Wheels stuff in there as well. I just want to make sure you guys don't miss out on a video that I post, so be sure to subscribe to all three of those channels. I will be doing a monthly giveaway, and all you have to do to enter is post on any one of my videos and any one of my channels that you are subscribed to all three of the Peak Time Racing branded channels. I'll be picking one lucky winner each month at random who will receive a prize package of Peak Time Racing branded things as well as Hot Wheels. Thanks again for watching this one. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.